Hi there, welcome to my home kitchen. I'm Bianca Borges for Milk Street at Home. In consideration of our world being rather upside down these days, we thought it would be good to make for you our pineapple cornmeal upside down cake. It's a one pan, one layer cake that comes out of the pan upside down with beautiful caramelized pieces of pineapple decorating the top. So there are a few things to consider about this cake. The first one is the pineapple. We much prefer fresh pineapple for this. We'll cut 1/4 inch thick slices. Then in a large skillet, we melt a little bit of butter and some brown sugar, add a little salt to that, and then let that cook until the sugar is fully melted and the whole mixture is very bubbly. Then we add our fresh pineapple slices and let those simmer in that buttery, sweet sugar until they're fully caramelized, and that takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Then we pour those right away into the 9-inch cake pan. Then we spread them out into a single layer, and then we put the pineapple by itself into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes while we make the batter. The reason for this is we want the pineapple and the sugar to be very, very hot when the batter goes into it so that it gets the batter started cooking immediately on the surface, and that's how you can avoid that gummy layer that sometimes happens between the cake and the fruit in the upside down cakes. To mix the batter, you have 3 basic parts. One is all the dry ingredients that are blended together like most cakes, except for the cornmeal. The cornmeal we mix together with the buttermilk and the ricotta cheese and blend that thoroughly, which allows the cornmeal to hydrate and get moist so it's not quite as gritty in the cake. Then we cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. We add the eggs one at a time. Then we add the cornmeal buttermilk mixture and then the dry ingredients, and the batter's done. And about that time, the pineapple is ready to come out of the oven and add the cake batter to it. So with the pineapple hot out of the oven, you pour the cake batter right over it right away, spread it smooth with a spatula, put it right back in the oven, and let it finish baking about 40 to 45 minutes. When the cake comes out of the oven, let it cool in the pan on a wire rack for about 20 minutes, and then you're ready to invert it and let it wow you with that beautiful, glistening pineapple. This is one of those cakes that's good just about any time of day. It's a great breakfast cake, snack cake, and of course dessert. It's not too sweet. The crumb is moist and loose from the cornmeal. It's enriched with ricotta cheese and buttermilk, and it's just a really beautiful, satisfying slice of cake, upside down cake for our upside down world.